says from?
It says to.
To from Santa.
That's right, we need to check the cards because Santa may have left something for somebody else. So make sure it says to Lyra.
Is it to Lyra, Mommy?
Is that your name?
Lyra,
Yeah, so I guess it's you.
So it's you.
I hope it is for me. Not chili. It's not a fishing pole. Oh, just what I needed. Just what my bunny wanted. It's stuck.
Well, it only goes so far.
Oh, some for Lyra. This is for Lyra and Lyra. Uh-oh. I'll bring something to eat it. Bunny wanted this.
Bunny wanted a fishing pole?
But not with just a cherry on it. Let's open this present.
Okay.
And Lyra. What? Lyra.
Yeah. Do you want to sit on your beanbag chair and open your present?
Oh, yeah. Because I'm going to sit with my bunny. Not Grandpa Bunny. What's that name again? Cypher, yes. Sit with my Cypher. This is... Why is this so hard? Here, Mommy. Good there. A box? I got a box this time. What is in here?
Let me see. I can't see. What's in that box? Can't use it with my nails. Did Santa Scotch tape it?
No, not really.
Try putting the box on. Oh, there you go.
Oh, carrots. Carrots to me and Play-Doh ones. Play-Doh ones. Oh yeah. Now I keep them off. Oh, that's good. Just what I wanted. Just what I wanted. Just what. This one doesn't have any. Oh, you put it on there?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do it?
Mm-hmm.
First you have to kill it. Yeah. It has a medium back. This one. Bunny, but you can do You can do it. Uh-oh, kill it. You can fish the book. Ah, you kill it.
Yeah, but that's okay. You gotta go fishing. Ready?
Just keep.
Here, watch. Watch. Put it on the ground.
You got a carrot for my bunny.
I got a carrot for your bunny.
Can I have it?
Yes, you may.
Now let's see, what is the other one? Oh, wait, I got to sit there. How about this one? It says for Lila. And that way, hey! Oh, ouch! Sorry. Sorry, phone. That way, oh, hey. The title it. Another box today.
Where's all the kitties?
What?
It's awful quiet.
Yeah.
I'm surprised the kitties aren't here to help.
Yeah. The keys can. But when it's next to when it's next to Daddy.
Luna's sleeping already?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, just what I wanted. Yeah.
What is it?
About Princess Minnie.
A Princess Minnie Mouse.
Oh, I wanted it. Hey. In the boo. Can I come into other minis?
Would you like Daddy to open it?
Yeah.